So, andito tayo ngayon sa Raya Gardens in Merville, Parañaque to check this new foreclosed condo unit. Malapit lang to sa airport na iya, BGC, and sa Makati. And resort inspired amenities tayo dito. May swimming pool, basketball court, fitness center. Dito yung unit, Jakarta Building, 14th floor. Check natin. So this is the unit. This is around 4.9 million. Discounted price is around 3.9 million. So pumapatak siya ng around 60,000 per square meter. That's below market and zonal value na po. Kaya unahan na dito sa unit na to. 2 bedrooms with balcony. Ito yung bathroom niya. Very spacious. Then katabi niya yung kitchen. Ayan. Over and under cabinets. It's our main door. And then may windows tayo dito. Tapos meron na siyang wall mirror. And then ito yung bedroom 1. And ang view niya is airport. Then meron tayong aircon provision. Flooring natin is ano yan, parang ano siya, parquet. Nara parquet yata yan. And then bedroom 2, same flooring, aircon provision, and we have access to the bathroom. Very spacious yung balcony natin, ha. Ang ganda, oh. And city view. And kitang-kita yung airport, ayun, oh. Yung mga airplanes. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. Again, this is below market and zonal value. If you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is as is where is upon turnover. Still sale na po to. Around 3.9 million for a 2-bedroom condo unit na malapit sa airport, BGC, and Makati. So again, if you are interested, message us directly.